Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically today I'm going to be taking you through the ways of adding blur into your images in post-production. So for this tutorial I'm hoping I'll be helping those photographers who are using their kit lenses and are still willing to grow, professionals who maybe have a problem with using manual mode. So here I have an image edited from Lightroom. So I'm going to be adding blur to this image through the specific steps. So stick around, let me take you through. If you're willing to learn more, want to learn more about post-production, photography itself, videography, be sure to like, share my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start with the first thing. Make sure while your image is open, the background is still there. Go into the lasso tool. So this is the lasso tool, and select your image, the part you want in focus. Select it to be inside the lasso selector. So basically just move around the edges of the parts you don't want to blur. Don't want to blur the subject herself. So there you have your image. Go to the refine edge tab, output to new layer with mask. Make sure you select that one as the output. Okay, let's sharpen a bit the radius. You don't want to be losing all the data around the areas. Make sure you move it to the recommended size. Up to there I can see only a bit of these areas that cannot be blurred. So let me shift this aside a bit. Here, there you have the arm, the upper part of the arm. So let's go back to the smoothing part, smoothen the edges a bit. With that done, click on OK. And Photoshop will do all the work for you. It will refine the image and turn it into a new layer with the subject. There you have it. So as you can see, it already disabled the background so that you can see there. But now what you're going to work with, you're going to need to work with the background from there on. So select your background, convert it into a smart object, then go to filter, blur, choose a blur. You can experiment with many, but as for me I like going with Gaussian blur because I have control over it. So here I'll have an image like this one. As you can see, it's not the same image like the one, so you will kind of twist it to somewhere where you think it looks more neat and presentable to people. So something like that is not good at all, not good. So this is the kind of image I was hoping to achieve. Kind of, it doesn't show it's a forced blur, so with that I'm okay, I'm good with that. So go back to the background copy. Make sure your foreground color is black. So on the parts that you had not yet, select your brush tool. On the parts that had not yet been blurred, try rubbing a bit so that it doesn't look awkward. You can see these parts over the face. and there you have your nice good blur on your image. So I hope you guys will go experiment on this, try it on new pictures, see how it works for you. Remember, it's not always about the gear you're using to capture your image, it's always about how creative you can be on your post-production or while taking. It's not the person behind the machine, it's you yourself. So go there, be creative, like, share, support my videos. Be sure to catch you up on the next video. If you want anything clarified, be sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you.